Hello children, welcome back. So the next topic is division of algebraic expressions. So exercise 12.3 first bit, carry out the following division. First question, 48a cube by 6a, so it is equals to 48a cube. Here by 6a means here fraction. So 48 into a cube divided by 6 into a, so it is equals to 48 a cube. I am writing as a square into a divided by 6 into a. So 48 into a square into a by 6 into a. Here a cancel, 6 ones are 6 8s are 48. So 8a square is the answer. Second question, 14x cube divided by 42x square. So it is equals to 14 into x cube equals to x square into x divided by 42 into x square. X square cancel, 7 2s are 7 6s are 2 1s are 2 3s are. So then it is equals to numerator is 1 into x and denominator is 3. So it is equals to x by 3. Third question, 72 a cube b to the power of 4 c to the power of 5 by 8 a b square c cube. So 72 into a cube means a square into a, b to the power of 4 b square into b square, c to the power of 5 c cube into c square, divided by 8 into a into b square into c cube. Here c cube, b square, a cancel, 8 ones are 8 nines are. So the numerator is 9 into a square into b square into c square and the denominator is just 1. So it is equals to 9a square b square c square. Fourth question, 11x y square z cube divided by 55x y z. 11 into x into y square y into y z cube z into z square divided by 55 into x into y into z. So here z y x and 11 ones are 11 5s are 55. So numerator is y into z square and denominator is 5. So y z square divided by 5 is the answer. Fifth question, minus 54 L to the power of 4 m cube n square divided by 9 L square m square n square. So it is equals to minus 54 into L square into L square into m square into m into n square divided by 9 into L square into m square into n square. 9 ones are 9 6 are 54, L square m square n square cancel. So minus 6 into m and there is a denominator 1. So minus 6m is the answer. Sorry, here L square also there. So 6 here L square into m by 1. So minus 6 L square m. Next, second bit, divide the given polynomial by the given monomial. So here first question, 3x square minus 2x divided by x. So it is equals to, let me write in the fraction form, 3x square minus 2x divided by x. So in the numerator we can take the x common. So how? Here see, 3 into x minus 2 into x divided by x. So it is equals to, now take the x common. So the remaining terms 3x minus 2 divided by x. Now x cancel. So it is equals to 3x minus 2. Second question, 5a cube b minus 7ab cube divided by a into b. So it is equals to 5 into a into b minus 7 into a into b cube b into b divided by a into b. From the numerator, let's take the one a common and one b common. So then the remaining terms are here 1a already removed, so 5a square minus 7b square divided by a into b. So here a and b cancel, so the answer is 5a square minus 7b square. Third question, 25x to the power of 5 minus 15x to the power of 4 divided by 5x cube. So it is equals to 25x to the power of 5. So that means 5 into 5, x to the power of 5, x into x into x into x minus 15, 3 into 5, x to the power of 4, x into x into x into x divided by 5x cube, 5 into x into x into x. So in the numerator we can take one 5 common, 5, 5, next to one x common, one more x common, one more. So overall 5 into x into x into x. Then the remaining terms are 5 into x minus 3 into x divided by 5 into x into x into x. So actually we can take one more x common, but here not required. 5, 5, x, 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 x and x. So answer is 5x square minus 3x. Fourth question, 4l to the power of 5 minus 6l to the power of 4 plus 8l cube divided by 2l square. So it is equals to, see in the numerator 4, 6, 8 all are coming in two tables. So 2 common into here l to the power of 5, l to the power of 4, l cube. So the maximum common is l cube. So into bracket of here 4 in 2 table 2s are, and out of l to the power of 5, l cube is a common. So then the remaining term is l square minus here 6 in 2 table 3s are, here l plus 8 in 2 table 4s are, so l cube already common, so just 4 will comes, 2 into l square. Here 2 cancel, so it is equals to, here out of l cube l square going to cancel, so then l will be there into 2l square minus 3l plus 4 is the answer. Fifth question, 15a cube b square c square minus a square b cube c square plus a square b square c cube divided by 3abc. So 15 it is already common. From this, see here, observe the three terms. So here a cube, a square, a square. So maximum common is a square. B square, b cube, b square. So maximum common b square. C square, c square, c cube. Maximum common c square. Now take the bracket. So here the remaining term is just a, and here just b, and here is a c divided by 3abc. Here 3 ones are 3 5s are. See here out of a square one a will get cancelled. Here same b and here c. So then answer is 5abc bracket of a minus b plus c. So sixth question, 3p cube minus 9p square cube minus 6pq square all divided by minus 3p. So 3, 9, 6 all are coming in 3 tables, so 3 common into, next here p cube, p square cube, pq square. So the maximum common is just p. So now open the bracket, here out of 3p cube, 3p is a common, so p square will be there. 9 in 3 table 3, so p square cube, pq will be there, minus 6 in 3 table 2s are pq square, so 1q square will be there, divided by minus 3p. So 3 3 p cancel, but here minus did not get cancelled, so minus apply for numerator. So p square minus 3p cube minus 2q square. Now minus multiply inside, minus p square plus 3pq plus 2q square. Next, seventh question, 2 by 3 a square b square c square plus 4 by 3 a b square c square all divided by 1 by 2 a b c. So from the numerator, see here 2 by 3, 4 by 3. 2 by 3 means 2 into 1 by 3. 4 by 3 means 4 into 1 by 3. From these two, we can take 2 into 1 by 3 common. So then here 1, and out of 4, 2 already common. So then 2 will be there. So overall, 2 into 1 by 3 bracket of 1 plus 2. So like this, you will get the answer. So 2 by 3 is a common now, and out of a square, a is a common. Next, out of b square, c square is a common. So here first term, the remaining is a, and here out of 4 by 3, 2 by 3 is a common, so 2 will be there, and variables, so no variables, and all divided by 1 by 2 bracket of 1 by 2 into a into b into c. So it is equals to 2 by 3 a b square c square into a plus 2, here by a fraction given, so that means the fraction will be reverse. So 2 by 1 into here by a b c. So now 2 2s are 4 by 3, and here a cancel, b square cancel, c square cancel. So a b c into a plus 2. Here actually a is already cancelled, no? So only 4 by 3 bc bracket of a plus 2 is answer. Next, third bit, work out the following divisions. So first question, 49x minus 63 divided by 7. From the numerator, we can take 7 common. So 7x minus 63 in 7 table 9s. So by 7, 7, 7 cancel. So 7x minus 9 is the answer. Second problem, 12x bracket of 8x minus 20 divided by 4 bracket of 2x minus 5. 12x, from the 8x minus 20, let's take 4 common. So 8 in 4 table 2 and 20 in 4 table 5 divided by 4 into 2x minus 5. 4 4 2x minus 5, both are cancelled, so 12x is the answer. Third question, 11 aq bq bracket of 7c minus 35 by 3a square b square c square bracket of c minus 5. So it is equals to 11a cube b cube. So 7c minus 35, 7 is a common. So c minus 35 in 7 table 5 is a divided by 3 into a square b square c square into c minus 5. C minus 5, c minus 5 cancel. So next 11 into 7, 77, and out of a cube, here a square will be cancelled, and b square also cancel. So a into b divided by 3 into c square. So 77 ab divided by 3 c square is the answer. Yeah, actually in the question we don't have a c square, so let's me remove the c square. So 77 ab divided by 3. Next, fourth question, 54 lmn into l plus m into m plus n into n plus l divided by 81 mn into l plus m into n plus l. So here 54, 81 both are coming in 9 table, 9 9s are, 9 6 are 54. Next 3 2s are, 3 3s are. Next m n, l plus m, n plus l cancel. Then numerator is 2 into l into m plus n divided by denominator is 3. So 2l bracket of m plus n by 3. Next to fifth question, 36 bracket of x plus 4 and bracket of x square plus 7x plus 10 all divided by 9 into bracket of x plus 4. X plus 4 cancel, 9 ones are 9 fours are, so it is equals to 4 into x square plus 7x plus 10, and there is a no denominator by 1, so that means 4 into x square plus 7x plus 10. Sixth question, a into a plus 1 into a plus 2 into a plus 3 divided by a into a plus 3. So here a and a plus 3 cancel, so answer is fourth bit. Factorize the expressions and divide them as directed. First question, x square plus 7x plus 12 all divided by x plus 3. So let us do the factorization of x square plus 7x plus 12. So here the first term is x square and the last term is 12, so it is equals to 12x square, and the second term is 7x. 12 is coming in here, 1 12s are 12, 2 6 are 12, 3 4s are 12. In this here 3 comma 4 is suitable, so 3x plus 4x, and 3x into 4x is 12x square. So x square at the place of 7x write 3x plus 4x plus 12. From the first two take the x common, so x plus 3. From the last two 4 common, x plus 3. Now here x plus 3 into x plus 4. So let us find out our required answer. So x square plus 7x plus 4 equals to x plus 3 into x plus 4 divided by x plus 3. So x plus 3 cancel, so it is equals to x plus 4. Second question, x square minus 8x plus 12 all divided by x minus 6. Before doing the division, let's do factorization. First and last 12x square, and the second one is minus 8x. So 1 comma 12, 1 12s are 12, 2 6 are 12, 3 4s are 12. In these two, here 2 comma 6 is suitable, because minus 2x plus minus 6x, and minus 2x into minus 6x is plus 12x square. So then x square minus 8x can write as a minus 2x plus minus 6x plus 12. From the first two take the x common, x minus 2. From these two take minus 6 common. So then x, this plus will become minus, and 12 in 6 table 2s are. Now x minus 2 cancel, common, x minus 2 into x minus 6. So therefore x square minus 8x plus 12 all divided by x minus 6 equals to x minus 2 into x minus 6 divided by x minus 6. X minus 6 cancel, so our required answer is x minus 2. Third question, p square plus 5p plus 4 divided by p plus 1. So here the first and last terms p square and 4, its product is 4p square, and the second term is 5p. So the 4 is coming in one table, 1 4s are 4, next to 2 2s are 4. In this 1 comma 4 is suitable, so that means p plus 4p. So here p square plus p plus 4p plus 4. So from the first two p common, so p plus 1. Next to 4 common, p plus 1. Now p plus 1 is common, p plus 4. So therefore p square plus 5p plus 4 all divided by p plus 1, it is equals to, here write in the fraction form, p plus 1. So it is equals to p plus 1 into p plus 4 divided by p plus 1. So the final answer is p plus 4. Fourth question, 15ab bracket of a square minus 7a plus 10 divided by 3b bracket of a minus 2. So let us do factorization. A square minus 7a plus 10. Here first and third term product is a square into 10. So it is equals to 10a square. And the second term is minus 7a. So here 10 is coming in different tables, which are 1 into 10, 2 into 5. So in this 2 into 5 is suitable. So minus 7a can write as a minus 2a plus minus 5a, and their product equals to 10a square. So a square here at the place of minus 7a, minus 2a plus minus 5a plus 10. From the first two take the a common, so a minus 2. From the last two take minus 5 common, so a, this plus will become minus, and 10 in 5 table 2s are. Now a minus 2 into bracket of a minus 5. So therefore 15ab bracket of a square minus 7a plus 10 all divided by 3b bracket of a minus 2. So 15ab bracket of a square, so a minus 2 into a minus 5 whole divided by 3b bracket of a minus 2. Here b cancel, 3 ones are 3 5s are. Next to a minus 2 cancel. So the answer is 5a bracket of a minus 5. Sixth question, 26z cube bracket of 32z square minus 18 divided by 13z square into 4z minus 3. So it is equals to 26z cube. From this we can take 8 common. Sorry, not 8. Only 2 common. So 2 into bracket of 16z square minus 9 by 13z square into 4z minus 3. So it is equals to 26z cube into 2 into 16z square means 4z whole square and 9 means 3 square by 13z square into 4z minus 3. 13 ones are 13 twos are, and z square and cube will get cancelled. So 2z into here a square minus b square formula. So that is a plus b into a minus b all divided by 4z minus 3. 4z minus 3, 4z minus 3 cancel. So 2z bracket of 4z plus 3 is the answer. Exercise 12.4. Find the errors and correct the following mathematical sentences. So here the first question, 3 bracket of x minus 9 equals to 3x minus 9. So the LHS equals to 3 bracket of x minus 9. 3 multiply inside, 3 into x minus 3 into 9. 3 into x is 3x, 3 9s are 27, but it is not equals to RHS. So the given mathematical sentence is wrong. The mistake is where here 3 into 9 equals to 27. Next, second question, x bracket of 3x plus 2 equals to 3x square plus 2. So the LHS equals to x bracket of 3x plus 2, then x multiply inside x into 3x plus x into 2. X into 3x is 3x square, x into 2 is 2x, but it is not equals to RHS. Next, third problem, 2x plus 3x equals to 5x squared. So LHS equals to 2x plus 3x. Both are like terms because they have a same variable with the same exponent. So their addition will become 5x, not 5x squared. So it is not equals to RHS. Next, fourth question, 2x plus x plus 3x equals to 8x. It is not ASX, it is 8x. So in the LHS, 2x plus x plus 3x, all three terms are like terms because they have the same variable with the same exponent. 2x plus x is 3x, 3x plus 3x is 6x, but it is not equals to RHS. Next, fifth problem, 4p plus 3p plus 2p plus p minus 9p equals to 0. So in the LHS, 4p plus 3p is 7p, 7p plus 2p 9p, 9p plus p 10p. So 10p minus 9p, 10p minus 9p is p. So that is why it is not equals to RHS. Sixth problem, 3x plus 2y equals to 6xy. So in the LHS, see here 3x plus 2y both are unlike terms because they have a different variables. So then their addition will be 3x plus 2y itself. So it is not equals to 6xy. Seventh problem, 3x whole square plus 4x plus 7 equals to 3x square plus 4x plus 7. So LHS equals to, here 3x whole square means 3x into 3x. So 3 3s are 9, x into x, x square. So 9x square plus 4x plus 7. But in the LHS, in the RHS, he gave 3x square. So it is not equals to RHS. So next 2x square plus 5x equals to 4x plus 5x, it is equals to 9x. So let us verify. LHS is 2x whole square plus 5x. 2x whole square means 2x into 2x. So 2 2s are 4x into x, x square. So 4x square plus 5x. Both are unlike terms because they have a variable same but exponent is different. So that is why we cannot add them. So it is not equals to RHS. So what is RHS? 9x. Ninth question, 2a plus 3 whole square equals to 2a square plus 6a plus 9. So for this, apply the a plus b whole square formula. So that is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So here a value is 2a and b value is 3. So then 2a whole square plus 2 into 2a into 3 plus 3 square. 2a whole square is 4a square and 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12a, 3 square is 9. But here he gave 2a square, so it is not equals to RHS. 10th question, substitute x equals to minus 3 in first question, x square plus 7x plus 12 equals to minus 3 whole square plus 7 into minus 3 plus 12 equals to 9 plus 4 plus 12, it is equals to 25. So that LHS equals to x square plus 7x plus 12. Substitute x equals to minus 3. So minus 3 whole square plus 7 into minus 3 plus 12. Minus 3 whole square is plus 9 because minus 3 into minus 3 it is equals to 9. 7 into minus 3 is minus 21 plus 12. First you add the positive numbers. 9 plus 12 is 21 minus 21. So it is equals to 0. But here he gave 25. So it is not equals to RHS. Question number B, x square minus 5x plus 6. So LHS equals to, substitute x equals to minus 3. Minus 3 whole square minus 5 into minus 3 plus 6. Minus 3 whole square 9 minus 5 into minus 3 is plus 15 plus 6. So 9 plus 15 is 24. 24 plus 6 is 30. But here he gave 0. So it is not equals to RHS. C question, x square plus 5x. So x square plus 5x. So x equals to minus 3. So minus 3 whole square plus 5 into minus 3. So it is equals to, so minus 3 whole square 9, 5 into minus 3 is minus 15. So 9 minus 15 is minus 6. But here he gave minus 24. So it is not equals to RHS. Next 11th question, x minus 4 whole square equals to x square minus 16. So for the LHS we can apply one identity, that is a minus b whole square. So a minus b whole square means here x square minus 2 into x into 4 plus 4 square. So x square 4 2s are 8x, 4 square is 16. But here he gave only x square minus 16. So it is not equals to RHS. Next to 12th question, x plus 7 whole square equals to x square plus 49. So here a plus b whole square formula, a square plus 2ab plus b square. So x square plus 7 2s are 14x plus 7 square is 49. But here x square plus 49 given, so that is why it is not equals to RHS. 13th question, 3a plus 4b into a minus b equals to 3a square minus 4a square. Let's take the LHS. So LHS is 3a plus 4b bracket of a minus b. So it is a product of two binomials. So 3a into a minus b plus 4b into a minus b. 3a multiply inside 3a square minus 3ab. Here 4ab minus 4b square. Next 3a square minus 3ab plus 4ab both are like terms, so its answer is ab minus 4b square. But in the question he gave 3a square minus 4a square, so it is not equals to RHS. 14th question, x plus 4 into x plus 2 equals to x square plus 8. So in the LHS both are binomials, so x into x plus 2 plus 4 into x plus 2. X into x square and x into 2 is 2x, 4 into x is 4x plus 4 2s are 8. X square plus 2x plus 4x is 6x plus 8. So but it is not equals to RHS. 15th problem, x minus 4 into x minus 2. So here x into x minus 2 minus 4 into x minus 2. X into x minus 2 is x square minus 2 into x is 2x minus 4x. Here minus into minus plus 4 2s are 8. So x square minus 2x minus 4x is minus 6x plus 8. So it is not equals to RHS. 16th question, 5x cube divided by 5x cube. So 5x cube by 5x cube. 5 cancel, x cube cancel, it is equals to 1. But in the question he gave its answer is 0, so it is not equals to RHS. 17th problem, 2x cube plus 1 divided by 2x cube. See here 2x cube plus 1 divided by, so here division for only 1, not for 2x cube. So once you observe this question, 2x cube plus 1 all divided by 2x cube. So here 2x cube plus 1 divided by 2x cube. Why? Because here gave bracket symbol. So that is why 2x cube will be comes in the denominator. But here bracket symbol did not give. So that is why 2x cube belongs to only 1, not for 2x cube. So 2x cube, here we can take the LCM, 2x cube. So 2x cube into 2x cube plus 1. So it is equals to 4x to the power of 6 plus 1 divided by 2x cube. But in the RHS he gave 1. So it is not equals to RHS. 13th question, 3x plus 2 divided by 3x. So it is equals to 3x plus 2 division symbol only for 2, not for 3x. Here by 1, so then the LCM is 3x. So 3x into 3x plus 2. 3x into 3x is 9x square plus 2 divided by 3x. So that is why it is not equals to 2 by 3x. 19th question, 3x plus 5 divided by 3 equals to 5. 3x plus 5, here division symbol only for 5. So now 3x can write as a by 1. So 3 is LCM. So 3 into 3x plus 5. 3 into 3x is 9x plus 5 divided by 3. So that is why it is not equals to RHS. So the last problem in this chapter, 4x plus 3 divided by 3 equals to x plus 1. So the LHS is 4x plus 3 divided by 3. So split into two fractions, 4x by 3 plus 3 by 3. Here 3 cancel, so it is equals to 4x by 3 plus 1. So it is not equals to RHS, that is x plus 1.